The fingers.
You don't eat the fingers.
Yeah.
Oh, you eat
The finger.
Eat the fingers,
Are you
not
No, but
the bones.
the
Don't
bones
eat the
na.
bones.
Yeah.
What's the bones in there?
Yeah.
No.
You're gonna, what's called that?
I've never had it before.
Like this, huh?
Oh, pakita sa siya.
Like the
Ipakwa
skin, gonna eat. Like the skin only.
Oh, like that.
It's just skin.
You're gonna, what's called that?
The
Is it
metal.
like that?
The metal.
I mean, this bit.
Yeah. Ayoko
It's just
video.
like it's gonna be like that on my face.
You can also...
Kasi pag ganito, kasi pag ano.
This bit.
Hilod. Lame, dili. Lame.
It's a little bit.
50.
It tastes nice, but I know what it is.
Bye. Ato nang kuanday katong unod na yatag siya.
Ginaman siya.
Kunan siya.
They just bite and then... Not like that.
Ah,
It's going to like this. Like, this, I think you're gonna, it's the,
nagdemo ni isa, nagdemo. You demo how to eat. Like that. That is her favorite. Ang isaw. Kung
it's
sa
hard to
isaw?
get that skin.
Okay.
Yeah, I get the skin. You're gonna separate the, what's called, the skin and the,
Bone.
the bone like that.
That's okay.
Nice, right?
Maging sauce.
Kana na siya atong iyahaw eh. Kasi no, that is the pork.
Pork. The best come.
Kaon na po. Eat again. Si Juan pa, Dominic. Eat again? Always eating?
Sauce na ako sa mga. Ma,
Ha?
sauce na ako sa mga.
Si?
Ulit ulit.
Alas 9 anang flight ni Liklik Day? Alas 9.
Nakakon sa lang.
Ano to sila sa airport karon? Tomorrow morning is your last chance to eat rice because in UK, but just cook rice there. When you're in UK, you will eat again the pizza, the bread,
Go diet again.
diet again.
Kakatas mo siya.
Kaon to eh. Eat again, laging eat.
Sa puso ko ikan.
Here in Philippines, if you are in vacation, the one that you did is always eating. Always eating
Always eating carbs.
It's a
carbs.
lot of carbs.
Yeah.
Just is getting
Mama na may breakfast ko na.
ha? Breakfast? Go.
Itong pagdagan kay ko ano.
Makalibang niya ka.
Pagdagan ka.
Oh, si Arig to.
Mahala ka na. Maguyog-uyog.
Ang seroplano?
Malibang ka na to nga.
Gano'n.
Lain kayo sa pamilya.
Pero makaihi pa. Nakaihi ka. Wala na siya nag-inom og music day?
How's your... Cold.
It's okay.
Open po.
Oh.
Ganito, like, nagiginahan na siya. You said before you
It's perfect
Ganahan na
combination
siya.
in
with
drinking.
sauce. And with vinegar or...
Unsa man na, yan ang lagi nang bahog ang kuan.
Ay, naibaw ka sus.
Sus.
Sus, na may wala kay platito rin butang adra. Tawa.
Dito ano eh.
Oh, you like the
Yeah, this was one I was a bit nervous
singala
about.
na isaw, isaw.
Okay.
That is isaw.
Isaw. Isaw.
It is your first time to eat isaw.
Mm-hmm.
Hmm.
I was a little bit, scared. But it actually tastes quite nice.
Mm-hmm.
Mm.
I like cold.
No. They clean the
Nice, right? What's your chair? This one or vinegar?
That was quite nice. Try that again.
mm, Ganahan kay siya mukaon.
So, nakain siya dito.
kay muuli naman guni sila ugma. Tomorrow we will go back in UK.
Pinili ko.
And no more rice anymore. So your experience is you cannot forget your experience to eat isaw and finger of chicken.
Nice? Ano yung pangita ganiya?
Namian kay
We're
siya.
not going to eat a lot of so we're not be kalibangon in their plane.
Oh, gamay lang yung kaunon.
So, sugat mo.
Uy, ang kanang iyuhang kuan ba buko pa eh. Kanuna nyo ron?
Wala na sila bukupay.
Kamahal daw na kayo dito.
Okay. Mahal.
How much the one layer
Hmm?
of the buko pie?
Handa okay.
Oh, back up. If you had like a slice, maybe like £3.
3 pounds? Hala.
Mm.
One slice, 3
The
pounds.
whole thing probably be about 25.
25.
Mahal magiging cake ko itong isa pa slice. Ato pag restaurant. Right?
Like a cafe or coffee shop.
Okay.
Mm.
Nagiginahan.
Giganahan
Okay,
din.
ako na niya. Dua.
So, nga ito.
Giga-
Yung mga kayo.
Giganahan din siya sa isaw. You like that?
Perfect combination with the beer.
With the
It's
beer.
called pulutan when drinking.
Oh no.
Yeah.
Is that like popular to have with?
Yeah.
Giganahan siya sa isaw.
Huh? Yes, sir?
If you are in UK, you will go to the slaughter area. You say, can you reserve the isaw?
Ginahan. Bana pa tayo.
Yeah, we don't have any of these back home. This one,
Very good.
I don't think we have the feet.
Yeah.
back
Sige
home.
akong iyo. Minom di ka na de. Dami din na. Halag, ganahan siya sa isaw.
Ito po to.
Ganahan siya sa isaw.
Told you, it's yummy. Make you addict. Yung gusto ko.
In UK, there is in the restaurant there is a barbecue.
You can get barbecue, yeah, but it's totally different to this.
It's kuhan.
Mm.
Like lot of meat.
Yeah, like normally have sausages, burgers,
Yeah.
pork things.
Pwede mo magkuhan day, mag-barbecue sa inyo.
Ginahan mo, gito sila?
Ha?
Ginahan?
Di ganahan?
Ginahan.
Sa barbecue? Nag-barbecue ka dito? Dapat napalit ka og barbecue mix.
My barbecue.
Hmm?
My barbecue.
Uy,
This one.
napalit ka og barbecue mix.
Hmm?
Sa Alab.
Hmm? Ito. Itong barbecue may ito sa Rodney. Expression. Wow! 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 Who's made it?
Mhm.
Ganahan sila. Marinate ni mo daan.
Full na? Wala na.
Ganahan siya kaon. Mana siya kaon. The one that you eat in the Centennial, that is humba.
Last night, yun ba?
Yeah.
Ah, yes, last night, humba. Taste good.
Kanina po ta?
Kaon na po siya. Basta ginang tungol mo day.
Halibang mo nabusot ko. Pero,
Kaon na po sila anang kuan.
another plate
Buko
again.
pie. Kainan na naman ng buko pie. Pinungga-tungga mo na yan. Dah, kuan to dong kay mahulog dong. Hurot
Ikaw,
ka.
itong butang ko na.
Oh,
Ang ano pa?
kuan na pod. Saan ni? Buko pie na pod ang tirada.
Breakfast this tomorrow. Blow your cake.
Busog.
Blow your candle.
Ibili lang niyang ang ban. Yeah. That is 3 pounds there.
Pila raman na dire. Pila raman to.
50. Oh, kaamo do. Kuya ni mo. Tagay kuya ni mong dudong.
Wala. Hmm? Ang tag.
Kamera.
Kaon na mo kaon.
Ano ba ginagawa ng margarine?
Ah,
Margarine.
gusto niya yung Ako na busog ko eh.
It's a lolly.
So like when you had the other day.
That is
Like ice pop.
Lolly gani. Lolly mo lang tawag.
singalan?
Lolly.
Loli?
Ice pop.
Ice pop. I made 170 pieces and all is sold.
Wow. What's the most popular flavour?
That is favorite of the student.
Which flavour do they like the best?
Today that one
The orange.
and the jelly, the buko pandan jelly and the pagkita tong isa day katong murag tubig ra day.
Ito.
Nada to. Ang gamay.
Akan eh.
Oh.
Amin eh.
That is favorite of the children.
Dati ito ka. Saan eh?
Kuan. Light siya.
Pakitaro siya itong kalayo. Taklob yan.
Ganahan kay sila anak day. They called magic water. Lami day.